Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the wall angel exercise. This may have been given to you by your therapist if you have been suffering from shoulder mobility issues, for example. So you stand with your upper back touching the wall, head touching the wall. You're going to bring your elbows up like this. Arms are parallel to the floor. Elbows brought back to touch the wall. Turn the arms upward. The wrist, the back of the palms are now touching the wall. And now slide the arms upward, trying to keep the back of the palms planted against the wall. And you come back down. Arms are parallel to the floor. Palms touching the wall. Back of the palms are touching the wall. Up. Try to keep the back of the palms touching the wall. And you come back down. Now, some of you who have shoulder mobility issues will find this difficult. So when you're coming up, you may find one arm or two arms are trying to leave the wall. Try your best to keep back of the hand touching the wall. If you're unable to do that, keep practicing, and with time you will find yourself eventually moving from this position to this position, being able to go all the way up with the back of the hand touching the wall. Okay, so that's your wall angel exercise. When you're done, come off the wall.